Automobile accidents are not unique in our society, of course. I think every day in Bryan College Station, 2 to 3 accidents happen. Unfortunately, some of them involve injuries. And it's important when you've been involved in an automobile accident to make certain that first you tend to your medical needs or the medical needs of your family. And secondly, you make sure that you get to a competent attorney who's going to care for you and your rights. The first thing you need to do after securing medical attention is contact someone who can secure the scene for you. By securing the scene, I mean make certain that photographs are taken, make certain that the identity of witnesses is obtained, and those witnesses, while their memory is fresh, the details of what they know are recorded. Secondly, follow up with what your doctor tells you to do. It's very important that when you're getting your medical care that you be compliant with your physician or whomever he or she may be. Thirdly, share information about you with your lawyer. That sounds routine, I think, to some people, but it's important for us as your attorney to get to know something about you, because we can do a better job for you if we know about you and your family, the things you like to do, the things that you're having difficulty doing, whether it be engaging in sport activities such as golf or tennis or picking up your grandchild, for instance. Things that are different in your life or that are limiting to you. It's important that we get to know that about you. And so I often tell my clients to keep an injury journal from the first time that they have an opportunity after their injury. Get a notebook, take down information that will be vital to us in handling your case. How often you take pain medications is an example. How often you sleep, what difficulties you're having sleeping, what you're thinking about during this time, what you're worrying about, how it's impacting your job, how it's impacting relationships. An example I gave is interacting with grandchildren, but it may be with a spouse. These journals sometimes are limited, but oftentimes I find that they're extensive. And when we as an attorney prepare your case, we can look back on those experiences that frankly you may have blotted out a year after your collision because you don't want to think about those bad experiences. But if they're recorded from the very beginning, they are a wealth of information that allows us to demonstrate to the opponent that there were significant injuries and there were significant life-changing events. And so that probably is the most important piece of evidence that we can advise clients to help us develop for them.